come out here where it's a little quieter. I got to tell you, folks, I've been doing construction for a lot of years, doing foundation renovations. And I tell you, we've got this down to an art. Can't get any equipment down in there besides hand tools. And it's really just hands and rear end, just getting it done. And I believe I've got the best crew out there. These guys have been with me a long time. That young man, a couple years. That young man walking down the stairs there, I think he's on his 10th year. And the guys inside there, they've been with me longer than that. So they're like family to me. Take good care of them. And we're waiting on our dump truck to show up. We're gonna get this out of here because we got more coming. As you can see, we're removing the rest of the floor. It's gonna be a mountain of dirt here. And I do not want it to collect and get too big, so I got Mark coming over here with our dump trailer, and we're gonna start loading as soon as he gets here. He should be here any minute. We're gonna travel this dirt, debris through here. Got a pretty narrow walk space. He's gonna pull his truck right in here. He'll be down there, about 4 feet below us on the road. And we're gonna come in here at the sidewalk and put the debris in the trailer. And then he'll go dump that at my shop and then come back here and pick up the next load. For all your foundation repair needs, call me. King Piers, I believe we are by far second to none to anybody when it comes to restoring a foundation. Whether it's lifting a footing back to level, stone foundation renovation, rebuilding, concrete wall, block wall, we do it all. Give us a call, 816-521-8915. You can always visit our website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.